What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. I'm here with Matthew from NUU Mobile, and this is going to be the new G4 from NUU Mobile. So we're going to ask him a few questions on this device. So what's the difference between the NUU G3 and NUU G4? What are the new improvements and things that we've seen on this device so far?
Well, one thing I didn't mention to you before, but actually one thing about the G4 that's special compared to the G3 is that it supports all the bands. It's a global phone. So, I mean, before with the G3, we had a North American version and we had a European version. This one, you can take it anywhere in the world. It'll work anywhere you take it pretty much. In addition to that, the camera megapixel count has been bumped up, so it's a 16 and 8 on the back, 16 on the front. It has AI functionality so that you'll be able to do scene detection using the Helio P60 chip inside. It also has wireless charging, which is really nice. It's also got a faster wired charge, 18-watt charging when you've got it plugged in, so that way you won't be tied to the wall for too long.
So I've seen a few different versions. You obviously showed me the black ceramic version. What are the three versions that we're going to get, or what colors and materials are we going to get on these devices?
Well, we're going to start off with black ceramic as the very top end phone, and then there's also this white one here that you mentioned. It's actually a pearlescent sort of matte glass phone.
So we're using premium materials on this.
Exactly, yeah. That was something. It's not that the G3 didn't look fantastic. It looked great. It had that fantastic light show on the back.
Yeah.
That that's another one of the G4 variants that we have, is this baby blue, which is sort of a callback to the G3. A similar sort of shimmering effect on the back.
Awesome.
So we have the baby blue shimmering, version, the black ceramic, the matte glass white, and then also this really cool gradient version, which is like a deep black to chrome silver at the top with a bit of teal thrown in.
So are we going to be staying around the budget area, like kind of lower?
For sure.
Lower price? Awesome.
Yeah, for sure. We're talking about $250 to about closer to $300, depending on the configuration and the materials. It's a 6 gigabyte, no matter which variant. It's 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigs of storage on some and 64 gigs on others.
Okay, awesome. Can we expand it via micro SD card?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is the NUU G4. We're going to be taking a look at this. I'm sure later on we'll get a review unit of some sort, but a very, very nice looking phone coming into 2019.